My name is Bud Nice, and I rode 1,500 kilometers in 18 days from Vancouver to Gitwinsil, BC. This effort was to raise awareness for men's mental health. I did my best to document the journey, so I hope you enjoy the videos. Bike's all ready. A little bit of a late start, but was up till 4 a.m. last night trying to get this thing sorted. Had to ditch a lot of weight, so hopefully you don't need anything that I ditched. Just making my way out of the city. Whoops. We got some nice little shade from the SkyTrain for a bit. Not bad, not bad. Pretty soon we'll be on the open road, before you know it. All right, we leaving Coquitlam, or entering Coquitlam, leaving Vancouver. We on the highway, baby. We are now passing the Port Mann Bridge. A little bit of a climb. 35K in, not so bad. Yeah, so we made it to Abbotsford. Super chill. Pretty long day, but we still going. Good progress. Ooh, the view is crazy. I don't know if you can see that. Downtown Abbotsford. Looking for some food. Hopefully find something and back on the road or to a camp spot. Nice little switchback section, cut down the gradient. That was so helpful. Shout out to that house up there. Looks like someone's been here. Let's go check it out. Oh, this is cool. A little sketch, but it'll do. Whoa. Whoa, there's an upstairs. What a home to own. I mean, to have owned. Pretty crazy spot, but I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna sleep tonight. And this is gonna be it, so I just gotta clean up a spot and should be good. Well, day one's in the books. I'm gonna wrap it up at this abandoned house here and sleep on this flat spot. And that pretty much wraps up day one. 92 kilometers in the books, just under 6 hours in the saddle. I eventually made my way to this abandoned house that somebody suggested. And it's not ideal, but it's quiet. No one's gonna bother me. I'm definitely gonna get some rest tonight. Just about to cook up some food, relax a little bit, go through my videos. But yeah, stay tuned. A lot more to come. A lot more videos on the way. This journey is just getting started. And if you liked it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stick around for day 2.